Me likey, definitely. Hi, I'm Pierre. Welcome to Neon Reactions. Folks, there is one train we have been on, and I have not forgotten that train. And today we're going to jump right back on, and we're going to watch the next Twice video on my list, and that is Likey. We likey. This is one of my favorite Twice songs. It's been playing up and down on my headphones for like forever, and this song just makes me happy. It makes me smile, and yes, I want to see the video to that. I just have to. I can already imagine lots of colors. I can imagine lots of fun dancing and some funny and quirky moments. Yes, I love this song. So we're gonna dive right in and move on with our Twice train. And yeah, before we do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share the video. And if you have anything to tell me, comment section is the place to go. But for now, it's all about Jiho and her girls. It's all about Dayun and Mina and Sana and everybody in there. We love them, I love them, and me likey. Let's do this. This is gonna be fun. Oh yeah, there she is. Oh good lord. I had one of the what? I had one of those. I had one of those handheld. Good lord, my first steps into making some kind of a video. Wow. That's so cool to see. I don't even know where I have mine. It's probably in the dumpster somewhere. This is cool to see. Okay. I'm already loving this. They just give off such a positive energy. These girls are everything. They are just totally everything. This is cool. Me likey. I would so just love to hang out for a day with them. I would go home smiling. My smile would never stop. And I would probably have such a belly ache and my jaw would hurt because I would be laughing all day with those girls. It would be so much fun. I love that dress. Yes, the skater girl. Oh. I was never able to roller skate. I did not get the hang of it. I tried. No, I was on the ground more often than I was rolling somewhere. And if I was rolling, I like tippy-toed on those rubber brakes to get some speed, and then I just stood still and moved forward with the roller skates until I stopped, and then I ran again, and not my thing. And we have a gym scene. This is cool. I like this. This back alley scene is cool. The colorful girls and the dark back alley, that looks nice. I like Mina's black dress here. That actually looks nice. It's not colorful at all, but I think it suits her really fine. Me likey, definitely. This is so much fun. Wait, did her t-shirt just say stunning? Stunning, yes. This fits for all the girls. Absolutely stunning. I love them so much. Angel. Angel was, I'm sorry I'm pausing again. Angel was a jeans and denim store, right? I think they sold denim. That was a nice scene. This is fun. And they always seem to have a gym scene with them dancing in it. Heart? Wait, heart? What did it say? Heart, twice Tagram Shaker. Fall Festival of the Arts. Nice. Yeah. She's my hero. She's my hero. And she too. This is just a happy song. Me likey, likey, likey. I love the colors. Twice the gram. Likey. Yes! Most definitely. As always. Twice is just... If you don't like Twice, then something is wrong with your life. Isn't it so? I mean, these girls are all so adorable. They are so talented. They put out probably the grandest live shows out there, and yes, they are just amazing, and they have always been amazing. I love them from when I started listening to them, and now that I'm getting to see all of their videos, this is even more exciting for me. This is so much more exciting. I'm loving every bit of it. Folks, thank you for sticking around. Thanks for coming along on this journey. We will be doing a lot more Twice, and I will be getting back to my other girls that I have seemingly forgotten, but they are still in my head. We are still moving along the Red Velvet journey, and I am adding a couple of girl groups too that I have been listening to, but I haven't seen their videos yet. That would be CLC. I love CLC. And a couple of other groups that I would like to surprise you with. But yeah, for now, you guys stay safe, take care, and until the next time, as I always say, 사랑해, 안녕.